The cosmos is vast, dark, and mostly silent. It stretches out in every direction, an endless ocean of mystery and possibility, where the faintest glimmer of light can travel for eons before reaching us. But sometimes, against all odds, it sends us a message, a signal that pierces the silence and demands our attention. Just minutes ago, every major observatory on Earth erupted with alerts. Scientists scrambled to their stations, eyes wide with disbelief as data poured in from every corner of the globe. Something extraordinary is happening hundreds of millions of kilometers away, far beyond the reach of our most ambitious spacecraft. The interstellar object known as 3I Atlas, our third visitor from beyond the solar system, has done something impossible, something that defies every prediction and model we have. It has changed, and not in a subtle way. The transformation is so dramatic, it's as if the object itself is trying to tell us something. This is a brilliant, undeniable transformation that has sent shockwaves through the scientific community. Researchers are left speechless, their theories upended in an instant. For months, 3I Atlas has defied expectations, but this latest event, its 10th confirmed anomaly, has pushed it into the realm of the profound and unsettling. Each anomaly has been stranger than the last, but this one is unprecedented. News channels are breaking in, interrupting regular programming to cover this cosmic event as it unfolds. The internet is ablaze with speculation. Social media is flooded with theories, questions, and wild ideas, as people everywhere try to make sense of what's happening. Is this a natural phenomenon, or something that forces us to reconsider our place in the universe? Could it be a message, or simply a cosmic coincidence? The initial reports came from the Pan-STARRS telescope in Hawaii, which flagged an unprecedented change in the object's spectral signature. The data was so unusual, it was double-checked and verified before being shared. At first, astronomers suspected an error. They ran diagnostics, checked their instruments, and reviewed the data again and again. But the signal was real, confirmed by telescopes worldwide. The phenomenon was witnessed by teams across continents, leaving no room for doubt. The object, once a strange green, now glows a piercing blue, a color that simply should not exist for an object of its type and position. The shift is so intense, it challenges everything we know about interstellar bodies. This is not just another discovery, it's a cosmic alarm bell. The sense of urgency is palpable, as if the universe itself is warning us to pay attention. We are staring at an object breaking the known rules of physics. Its behavior cannot be explained by any current scientific understanding. The implications are staggering, forcing us to confront questions once left to science fiction. What if our understanding of the cosmos is incomplete? What else might be out there? We're no longer just observing a distant traveler, we are witnessing an event, unfolding right now in our own solar system. The world is watching, holding its breath. 3I Atlas is heading closer to us with each passing second. Its trajectory is being tracked in real time, and every update brings new questions. The urgency is real, shared by every astronomer and physicist looking at this data. Teams are working around the clock, racing to understand what comes next. The universe just knocked on our door, and we have no idea who or what is there. The sense of anticipation is electric, mixed with a hint of fear. The story of 3I Atlas has just taken a turn. The next chapter is unwritten, and the world is waiting to see what will happen. Where it leads could change everything we thought we knew. The universe has given us a mystery, and our journey to solve it has only just begun. To grasp why this blue glow is so alarming, we have to start with the basics of how comets behave as they journey through our solar system. We need to talk about comets and heat, and why their reactions to sunlight are so predictable, until now. Normally, as comets approach the sun, they warm up, releasing gas and dust that form a glowing green coma, thanks to diatomic carbon, a molecule that emits green light when energized. It's a predictable, well-understood process, one that astronomers have observed countless times. But 3I Atlas has thrown out the cosmic playbook, behaving in ways no one expected. Its coma didn't just stay green, it shifted rapidly to a deep, vibrant blue, a transformation never before seen in cometary science. This isn't just a color change, it signals an almost impossible amount of energy, something that defies our current understanding. To glow blue, an object must be hotter than the surface of our sun, over 5,500 degrees Celsius, a temperature that should vaporize any ice instantly. For a small, icy object in deep space, that's unheard of. Comets are supposed to be cold, ancient relics, not blazing with stellar heat. It defies the laws of thermodynamics as we know them, challenging the very foundation of physics. Imagine an ice cube suddenly heating itself to the temperature of a star and glowing blue. That's the scale of this anomaly. A scenario that should be impossible. No known natural mechanism could cause a comet so far from the sun to generate such heat, not even the most extreme solar flares or cosmic rays. The blue color is a beacon of impossibility. A cosmic flag signaling that something is deeply wrong, or perhaps deeply new. Astronomers are using words like terrifying and unprecedented. The scientific community is both fascinated and unsettled. The universe usually follows rules. There's a cosmic order we've come to rely on. Stars are born and die, galaxies collide, comets glow green. These are the rhythms of the cosmos. But 3i Atlas is breaking those rules, stepping outside the boundaries of what we thought was possible. It suggests a source of energy we cannot explain, a phenomenon that could rewrite what we know about space. This isn't just a new type of comet, it's a new type of problem, a mystery that challenges our most basic assumptions. It points to a profound gap in our understanding of the cosmos, a missing piece in the puzzle of the universe. The blue glow is a signal, something extraordinary is happening, and we are only beginning to understand its implications. In moments like these, the world turns to its most dedicated watchers. The Galileo project at Harvard, led by Professor Avi Loeb, was created to search for evidence of extraterrestrial technology. They've tracked 3i Atlas since its discovery, analyzing every anomaly as a potential sign of engineering. Today, their independent analysis confirmed the blue shift, measured as Cherenkov radiation, usually seen near nuclear reactors. This suggests a process not chemical, but nuclear, or even more advanced. The Galileo project has classified the event as a techno-signature candidate of the highest priority. This is the scientific equivalent of sounding a global alarm. The possibility that this object is not natural must now be taken seriously. The confirmation from the Galileo project anchors the story. What we are seeing is real, unexplained, and possibly artificial. The blue shift is just the latest in a series of bizarre and confounding characteristics that make 3i Atlas the most scrutinized and mysterious object in the sky today. Astronomers around the world are captivated, watching its every move and analyzing every scrap of data. Its trajectory is slow and deliberate, almost as if it's being guided, bringing it unusually close to Earth, closer than most objects of its kind ever dare to venture. Its composition is baffling, rich in nickel, low in water, and possibly not a natural rock at all. Some even speculate it could be artificial, given its strange makeup. It doesn't spin like most celestial bodies, and it survived a close pass by the sun without breaking apart, defying what we know about space rocks and their fragility. It's shown minor, unexplained accelerations, reflected radar like a smooth metallic surface, and emitted faint, regular radio waves, signals that have yet to be fully understood. Its green coma flickered in a precise, repeating pattern before the blue shift, as if signaling or communicating in some unknown way. Now, it glows with an impossible blue light, unlike anything ever observed in our solar system. Each anomaly could be explained away on its own, but together, they form a puzzle that defies any natural explanation and challenges our understanding of the cosmos. We are looking at an object that breaks all the rules, a true cosmic enigma that may change what we know about the universe. The blue shift is the anomaly that's broken the camel's back for many scientists. The energy required to shift from green to blue is immense, a fundamental change in the object's state. The blue glow corresponds to a thermal signature hotter than the sun's surface. No known process, solar, chemical, or radioactive, can explain this. Physicists are forced to consider new physics or even more exotic possibilities. If it's not natural, it could be artificial, a nuclear reactor or an exotic propulsion system. The terrifying possibility, the blue glow is a machine turning on, a machine that has traveled for millennia and is now active in our solar system. The global scientific community has mobilized like never before. Every major telescope, including Hubble and James Webb, is focused on 3i Atlas. The SETI Institute is listening for any artificial signals, but so far, only silence. Scientists are digging through archival data, searching for clues that might predict what happens next. The fear. This blue glow is just the beginning of a new, more active phase. This is humanity's best attempt to solve the mystery. Data is being shared instantly, across the globe. In this moment, we are one species, united by a single question. What are you? The answer will come from our combined effort. As data pours in, three main theories emerge. First, new physics. 3. I-Atlas could be a natural object interacting with the universe in ways we've never seen, perhaps dark matter or strange matter at work. Second, cosmic coincidence. Maybe each anomaly has a separate, natural explanation, though this stretches the bounds of probability. Third, alien technology. The object could be a probe, its features the result of advanced engineering. Its nickel-rich composition, lack of spin, and blue glow could all be signs of artificial origin. Each theory is being tested now. If the blue glow fades like a known isotope, it might be natural. If SETI picks up a signal, the debate is over. If the object changes course, coincidence is ruled out. We stand at a crossroads, and the evidence will decide our path. 3i Atlas is getting closer every day. By late December 2025, it will make its closest approach to Earth, a historic opportunity. Even amateur telescopes will see its eerie blue glow, while major observatories will study it in unprecedented detail. This transforms the mystery into a front-row event. Preparations are underway for a global observation campaign. The world is watching and waiting for December. If it's an alien probe, this could be the moment it reveals its purpose. Will it communicate, deploy probes, or simply pass by? The suspense is palpable. The possibilities are vast. For the first time, we may get a clear look at something from another star. We stand on the edge of a discovery that could redefine humanity's place in the cosmos. 3i Atlas is no longer just a strange object. It's about us, our curiosity, and our unity in the face of the unknown. If it's a natural phenomenon operating on new physics, science will be revolutionized. If it's a techno-signature, the confirmation of extraterrestrial intelligence would be the most significant discovery in history. The blue glow could mark the dawn of a new era. We watch, we wait, and the world holds its breath. Science allows us to ask grand questions and seek answers. The universe has given us its greatest puzzle yet. We are privileged to witness this moment. Look up and wonder, what is 3i Atlas? The answer may change our world forever.